Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use ChatGPT better. So, I'm not telling you guys that you are using it the wrong way, but I will try to explain to you what you can do and what you have to do in order to get the informations that you want from ChatGPT. So, first of all, let's go ahead and go to OpenAI, and then I will go ahead and go to try ChatGPT, and just like so. If you don't have account, just create it. If you do have, just log in, just I do. Now as you can see, sometimes you will have this problem that ChatGPT is not working. So you will have sometimes, because you will have like to give it some time, because like it has a high traffic. Now let me test if it is working for now. So I will say hi, hello, how can I help you today? So that's how you can start conversation. So that's how you can, don't give it automatically like fix me this problem. Don't do that. So it has already high traffic, it is already using a lot of data, so give him really simple data, like the basic data that he can get. So hi, the basic thing, so he will tell you that. Now what you could do is start the conversation. So I have a problem, so I have a problem in programming something, websites, can you help me with this? So how can you help me with it? And yeah, give us some time. So what kind of problem are you having with your website? Are there any error messages or user experience? Please provide us much detail possible so I can better understand and assist you. So now you can give it, for example, something to do. For example, I don't know how to write an HTML website for my school assignment. Can you help me with this? So now here it will be, I'd be happy to help you with your school assignments. HTML Apple markup language. It is standard. Now it is basically giving us like uh for example a web page, a simple web page that you can work with. So here it is. You can actually give it a high problem, like for example you can give it like your homework, your whatever it has, as long as it is, for example, you can copy it and paste it in here. It will fix it and solve it for you by the end of the time. You can also, for example, ask it for some tips, for some stuff to do to improve your social life, your programming, your job, your salary, and so the list go on. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually use ChatGPT better. Just try to go with it step by step until it fully give you the information that you need. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.